While Western automakers bleed billions transitioning to EVs, China's startups are doing something shocking, making money. 3 companies just posted their first profits, and one of them turned a $900 million loss into a $104 million gain in just 1 year. Meanwhile, TSMC's most advanced chips are in crisis mode, AI actors are sparking outrage by threatening human jobs, and robots are rolling off production lines at unprecedented scale. From profitable EVs to artificial actors, this is today's China Tech Insider. Here's a stat that should worry every Western automaker. While Ford, GM, and Stellantis are losing billions on their EV divisions, 3 Chinese EV startups just posted their first profits. Leapmotor reported $78 million in annual profit after losing $410 million the year before. NIO posted $104 million in adjusted quarterly profit, reversing a $900 million loss from the same period in 2024. And XPeng turned $55 million in profit after a $190 million loss. These 3 join BYD, Xiaomi, and Li Auto in a growing roster of profitable Chinese EV makers. The secret? Vertical integration. BYD makes 75% of its EV components in-house, including batteries, motors, and software. Chinese companies also benefit from the country's iron grip on battery supply chains. As one analyst put it, these companies are just beginning to fit into their shoes, gathering data and right-sizing their operations better than their competition. Meanwhile, Tesla remains the only profitable pure-play EV maker in the West, and its profits are plummeting as it pivots toward AI and robotics. The world's most advanced chips are in crisis. According to DG Times, TSMC's 3-nanometer production capacity has entered an extremely rare state of overload. From GPU and CPU designers to cloud giants like Amazon and Microsoft, everyone is scrambling for orders. But TSMC simply cannot keep up. This isn't just about rising costs anymore. Companies are now so desperate for capacity that they're refusing to take downstream customer orders because they can't guarantee supply. The shortage is disrupting product roadmaps across the industry. Capacity allocation has overtaken technological development as the most pressing challenge for major chipmakers. The implications are massive. Every AI accelerator, every flagship smartphone processor, every cutting-edge data center chip relies on these nodes. And right now, there's simply not enough to go around. A Chinese production company just announced that 2 AI-generated actors will star in an upcoming 60-episode drama. The virtual performers are named Xin Lingyue and Lin Shiyan, and they've already launched accounts on Douyin and Xiaohongshu. But the announcement triggered immediate backlash. Users pointed out the AI actors bear striking resemblance to real celebrities, raising concerns about portrait rights. One highly upvoted comment read, "Behind the unemployment of a single celebrity lies a whole group of ordinary workers who could lose their jobs: extras, cinematographers, lighting crew, catering staff, makeup artists, and stagehands." The company claims the AI images were generated without copying any real individual's facial features. But this controversy highlights a growing trend. AI-generated actors now represent almost 40% of the top 100 animated short dramas in China, up from under 10% a year ago. The market for microdramas and animated shorts hit 100 billion yuan last year, nearly twice China's box office revenue. Embodied AI just hit a major milestone. Chinese robotics company AGIBOT announced that its 10,000th robot has rolled off the production line, just 1 quarter after reaching 5,000 units. At the ceremony, co-founder Peng Zhihui declared that 2026 will mark a critical phase for large-scale deployment of general-purpose robots. He emphasized that true scalability isn't about isolated capabilities. It's about robots that can operate continuously in real environments, running 24/7 in industrial settings. According to research firm Omdia, the global humanoid robot market shipped around 13,000 units in 2025. AGIBOT alone accounted for over 5,100 of those, capturing 39% of global market share and ranking first worldwide. The company expects annual shipments to reach tens of thousands by the end of this year. This is embodied AI leaving the lab and entering the real world. XPeng just announced the 2026 Mona M03 will launch on April 2, and it's bringing something unprecedented to the affordable EV segment: 750 TOPS of AI computing power in a vehicle priced under $20,000. The model debuts XPeng's new Turing AI chip, enabling full coverage of intelligent driving across highways, urban roads, and expressways nationwide. That's the kind of computing power you'd expect in a premium vehicle, now available in an entry-level car. The updates don't stop there. The battery supplier has shifted from FinDreams to EV Energy, pushing maximum range to 640 kilometers with faster charging speeds. The chassis gets adaptive damping suspension. And practical details like repositioned cup holders and expanded storage show attention to real-world usability. This is what happens when Chinese automakers compete on AI capabilities rather than just price. TikTok is testing a dedicated short drama feed in the US and several other markets, while moving toward original production. According to Business Insider, TikTok has started casting for a new soap opera-style project and filed a US trademark for TikTok drama, covering development and production of short drama series, television programs, and webisodes. Short dramas, typically split into 1 to 5 minute vertical episodes, have become a fast-growing category. TikTok's move could put it in direct competition with mini-drama partners already operating inside the app, including Snack Short, Net Short, and Yuzu Drama. The format exploded in China first, where the microdrama market hit 100 billion yuan last year. Now TikTok is betting it can replicate that success globally. This isn't just about content anymore. It's about owning the entire vertical video entertainment ecosystem. That's your China Tech Insider for today. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and drop a like. It really helps the algorithm show this to more people interested in what's actually happening in tech. Leave a comment with what story surprised you most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.